Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to switch off the phone of Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who are Android users, you are certainly familiar with turning off your cell phone. But this time I will give you two tutorials on how to turn off your cell phone easily. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that I have to do is now you can press and hold on the power button until there's menu like this, and then now you can click power off. And then the second one is now you can swipe down to go to control center, and you can go to power settings, and then now you can power off. Alright guys, it easy right? So yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on next video.